Another tragedy has left students at a primary school traumatized and in need of counseling. The latest incident happened Thursday at Port Henderson Primary in Portmore St. Catherine. Krista Campbell reports.
Thursday's fatal collision along the Port Henderson main road in Portmore St. Catherine happened just feet away from the primary school. And according to Principal Ramona Bromfield, at least 2 students saw the body of the deceased woman as they made their way to school. She says it's again heightened concerns about the safety of staff and students in particular who use the roadway.
This is a dual carriageway which adds to the danger, especially during peak school hours. Despite the Ministry of Education providing us with 2 traffic wardens, motorists continue to disobey their instruction, putting lives at risk. In my time as principal, there have been 2 incidents where cars have crashed into the school wall.
And the school has had its own share of close calls.
Maybe about a year or 2 ago, one of our students got hit by a car right in front of the school gate, and that was caused because of speeding.
Up to July 24 last year, Keith Russell worked as the night security guard at the Port Henderson Primary School.
Coming to work, one of them's removal truck turned right round on me on the south side of the road, hitting me off my bicycle, damaged my foot. I lose several toe and in a shock and, trauma, because right now, and I see a car come close me, I'd have to just draw on the side because I don't know what's going to be the next.
The principal says she's in dialogue with the Education Ministry to get another security guard, but she laments crossing wardens are also in danger doing their jobs.
These motorists only obey the traffic wardens when they see the police officers out there, but as soon as they are gone, you can hear the cars screeching. The tires of the cars screeching.
On the main road, they don't have no patience, and even on the road which the school is on. I'm just asking and begging the drivers, please, try to avoid all these accidents because it don't, people just maybe going across the road in a slope and they just drive down on you.
That road in the early morning has lighting challenges as well. So again, I advise people to wear bright colors during those times.
Deputy Mayor of Portmore, Alric Campbell, notes that fender benders happen daily along the Port Henderson main road and stressed the stretch needs routine maintenance.
There are certain sections of it that have potholes. The surface is not level at other sections, and there are sinks in the road. So the road itself possesses the capacity to cause accidents.
He's also suggesting that the National Works Agency look at moving the pedestrian crossing further down on Germain Road, as its current placement almost at an intersection makes for a dangerous situation.
People are always in a rush at that intersection because of how the light, the speed with which the light changes from red to green at that intersection. So some review ought to be done right there.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.